This is the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 4, and in this video I'll be going over the main features and noticeable updates on the new model in comparison to its predecessor. Let's get started. The True Momentum Wireless 4s is a new addition to Sennheiser's Momentum family of premium Bluetooth headphones and earbuds. The MTW4 irons out the rough edges of past generations, improving all the things that matter, like sound, Bluetooth, adaptive EQ, noise cancellation, and a more robust app platform, giving users a more refined wireless listening experience, and these are just the main ones. I've been using the MTW4s for the past 2 weeks or so, and it's easily surpassed my expectations in many ways. I thought that this would be an iterative update, but the more I use them, the more I realize that these seemingly small updates make a huge difference in my daily use. So without further ado, let's get into it. Unboxing. The packaging footprint is significantly reduced, about half in size and weight in comparison to the MTW3s, which of course is better for the environment. The included accessories are the same. You get the MTW4s with additional ear tips and fins for your personal comfort and a USB-C charging cable. Design. The design is very much the same as its predecessor, and that's not necessarily a bad thing. The case has that same durable tweed material and a single USB-C port for charging. The only main difference is that the Sennheiser logo is blacked out on the 4s, which gives it a more tastefully subtle look. The ear tips and fins can be replaced with the included additional sizing in the box. I had no issues with the standard fit, so I decided to keep them on. Overall, the design of the TMW4s feel just small enough for it to not look or feel obtrusive in the ear, and the case sizing is perfect for pocketability. It now comes in a total of 3 colors: black graphite, white silver, and an all-new black copper. All of these colors have their own personal feel, but for me, I'm sticking with the graphite as I think it complements the design the most. Wireless connectivity. Getting into the connection side of things, Sennheiser has definitely made big strides with this new generation. The connection and pairing process has become noticeably quicker, and the communication with the Smart Control app has never been better. Thanks to its new and improved antenna design and latest Bluetooth chip from Qualcomm, we're able to experience Bluetooth Low Energy Audio, or LE for short, which significantly reduces power consumption and stabilizes connectivity in a huge way. We'll get more into that later, but for now, let's move on to the pairing process. To pair with the wireless 4s, first download the Smart Control app from the App Store. Next, hold the left and right surface of the earbuds until you see blue and red LEDs appear. Go into your Bluetooth settings and select True Momentum Wireless 4. Next, go into the app and specify that you're adding a new set of headphones. It should then notify you that the earbuds have been found and connected. Now that you're paired, you can use the app to give you individual sound profiling, update your firmware, adjust noise cancellation settings, and much more. Throughout the pairing mode, I could instantly tell the speed of connection was a lot snappier and more efficient in comparison to the True Wireless 3s. Every time opening up the case, my phone instantly paired to the 4s without any interruptions or glitches so far, thanks to the Bluetooth 5.4 and LE capability. And with this new chip comes Auracast. What is Auracast? Here's a basic explanation. So you know when you go to airports or on trains and you can barely hear the muffled and distorted announcements coming from the PA? Which then makes you end up having to second guess or completely miss important information being said? Well, Auracast solves this very issue. It allows you to listen in on what's being announced through your headphones without the traditional way of Bluetooth pairing or using a transmitter. Although it's still in the early stages, as more and more systems begin to adapt this technology in collaboration with Bluetooth LE, I can see this being a game changer for a lot of real-life scenarios. Sound. I wanted to see how the True Wireless 4s would improve upon the Wireless 3s in sound quality, which is inarguably one of the most important factors to any listening device. I'm happy to say there's a noticeable improvement comparing with the past generation. The treble feels more detailed and tighter in sound and less tinny in comparison with the True Wireless 3s. It has that same aptX lossless audio, according to Sennheiser, which gives 44.1 kHz 16-bit bit-for-bit CD quality audio. What they've done is build upon this platform, fine-tuning the EQ to keep it more in line with their signature sound. From watching my favorite shows to listening to all genres of music, rock, jazz, classical, you name it, the True Wireless 4s did not disappoint. When it comes to active noise cancellation or ANC, I found that the True Wireless 4s gave a noticeably improved response in blocking out natural noises in the environment with the inclusion of a new built-in low noise microphone system. It's an all-around smoother ANC experience, and with the Smart Control app, you're able to quickly adjust the level of outside noise in relation to interior headphone volume. Battery life. The MTW4s still have that same great maximum battery life of up to 28 hours of playtime. Realistically, I was able to get around 23 to 24 hours with moderate volume settings. This was no issue for me as I just leave the earbuds charged overnight whenever the battery gets low. The more noticeable improvements you'll see are in the charging case. The magnetic pins feel snappier and sturdier this time around, and the case has a much improved charging readability between the earbuds and the case. Of course, you can charge the case using the wireless Qi charging method, but I personally like to always use wired USB-C due to its fast charging times. You can fully charge your earbuds in 1.5 hours, from 0 to 100%. Closing thoughts. As someone once said, it's the little things that make the world of difference. And that's pretty much how I can sum up the Momentum True Wireless 4s. It builds upon, adds, and improves all those small quirks from before and redefines it into a new product. Sure, it looks the same as before, but it's got a major rehaul under the hood. Some of my favorite features are the faster pairing, a more seamless integration with the Smart Control app, a refined lossless sound profile, and improvements on ANC. I for one will continue to use these as my main driver this year for traveling, lounging at home, and leisure. The MTW4s are available now and can be purchased on brandswalk.com. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for tech and lifestyle content. If you have any comments, questions, or feedback, please let us know down below. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next one.